So hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can create your own swap function in Python. As you already know, there is no inbuilt function in Python to swap values in an array or between two variables. Like if you want to swap two values of a and b and you call the swap function, but no, there is nothing changed. So if you just try to implement like this, a is type of integer type and b is also integer type, and you just return nothing. That means you just want to pass by reference, and now it's time for a4 b3, and you just call the swap value a b, and now you just want to print the value of a and b. And if you run this code, you can check there is no swapping occurred in between a and b. So what is the mistake here in this code? The first of mistake that is made here is Python never allow call by difference. In the swap function you made above, it's simply doing call by value. So it's just made a copy of a and b in the function and change the values locally, but when you print outside the swap function, it reflects nothing and print the original value of a and b. So what's the task for you to implement this function? First of all, you can do this kind of thing. You can return a list like there, and you just use like this, return b comma a, and after that you can use the list unpacking or tuple unpacking. This is the same thing in Python, but now the thing is, when the swap function returns b and a, it simply assigned to a and b by the definition of tuple unpacking. I also write it for the reference of future. And now if you just run the code right now, you can check the swapping is occurred successfully. So in Python you can do like this, but for the values I would not recommend you to do this. You just can do like this to make the swapping easily. So there is no need for use or implement this function if you just need to swap in values. But in case of arrays, let's suppose you have an array value of 2 5 like this, and now you just want to swap the first and last element, right? Now you have to type for this ARR of 0, ARR of -1, also ARR of 0, okay, -1, and ARR of 0 like this. This is kind of huge task if you are doing like this kind of task inside a for loop or while loop. Here you have to write -I, j, or else many kind of things you can write, or you have to be implement. There the task needed to implement the swap function, because swap function allow you to easily implement swap and make the code readable for you, right? I just print the array for the reference that swapping is occurred successfully. You can check the swapping is occurred actually. But if you implement the swap function right now, like for same I have written earlier, if you just do this and swap in ARR 0 and ARR of last element, you can check nothing occurred in swapping. So what's the mistake? Yes, the same mistake you did as earlier. Python just call the values in the swap function and making changes locally, but after the swap function the array simply become the same as earlier, right? So you can do this kind of task. You just make an array also as argument, and you can change the array inside the function. like this. This make more convenient for you to do little swapping, 0 and -1. Now check how easy this task right now. You don't need to write ARR again and again. Also, if it came to I or j inside for loop while loop, it just need to pass the indexes, right? So if you print the array right now, you can check how cool the swapping and how easily it can be done. So this is the main motive of this today's video, to implement swap function in Python. If it's easy for you to understand, please hit the like button and also do share with your friends, and please subscribe. We are very close to 400 subscribers. Thanks for watching.